If you want to know how to make a computer completely from scratch, because everyone keeps emailing me this, I just tell them and tell them and tell them, but I figure I'd make a little video. What's required if you want to make a computer from scratch, and why would you want to make a computer from scratch? Well, if you make a computer from scratch, it's much cheaper. You get more high-end parts depending on what you buy. It's just general knowledge. You'll have it for the rest of your life. You can help other people. There's a lot of ups to making your own computer, and you can always switch anything you want or upgrade. So you can. There's a lot of websites that can help you, or you can just search up on YouTube. There's a lot of different people that show you how to build computers and stuff like that. The required computer components that you'll need to build a computer from scratch is a computer case, a power supply, a motherboard, a processor, a heat sink and fan, the RAM, random access memory, video card, sound card, network card, hard drive, DVD and CD drive. Some people like floppy drives. You don't have to include that. Always make sure you have all the cables for what you buy. There has been people that bought stuff that didn't even come with the cables. It's really funny. There's power cords for everything. Everything should come with the power cords, and that's pretty much it. But when you're building a computer, you have to make sure that everything that you're including with each other is compatible. First you pick your computer case, and then if you pick your motherboard, you gotta look at the components that go on a motherboard. You gotta make sure that they're compatible with your motherboard. If your motherboard supports DDR3 RAM and not DDR2, and you have DDR2 RAM, it's not going to work. You got to make sure everything's compatible. You got to make sure you have a compatible processor that you're buying with it. There are many companies that you buy stuff from can help you with this. You can email them and ask them. Some are stubborn and they don't, so you can go on computer forum websites and then put in all the parts of the computer that you have, and then just put it on the website and ask them. They'll help you. I can help you if you want me to. So this is just the general way to building your own computer and what you need. If you just need any more help on where to find the parts or where I would suggest, just comment on the video or email me. I don't care. Just 5 stars rating, please. I'll help you. Do anything you need. Alright, thank you. Have a good day, YouTube.